Do you want to know how you can reset your Remitly password if you have forgotten it? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset your Remitly password quite easily. Go ahead and open Remitly. So, what you need to do is sign in to your account. Let's go ahead and sign into your account. You can see that there is option of forgot password. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, tap on forgot password. If this is your email address, go ahead and click continue, or you can change your email address of choice. After that, click continue. You can see that a mail will be sent to you to the mail. So click on email me. You must write down the security code sent to your email. So go ahead and open your Google account. Now, click on the mail sent to you by Remitly customer service. Go ahead and copy the code which is here. Click on copy, go back to Remitly and paste the code. After you have pasted the code, you need to write down the new password now. After you have written down the password, check your password once. And write down the same password in the box below which says confirm password. Then click on change password. And there you go. This is how easily you can reset your Remitly password. Now you can easily log into your account and start doing your business and sending or receiving money through Remitly. I hope this video about how you can reset your password on Remitly was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.